Hi guys, we are back again for another toy review. Ito ang Bruce Lee Enter the Dragon DX04 from Hot Toys. Pero bago tayo magsimula, basahin ko lang muna yung writing sa box niya. Bruce Lee, original name, Legion Fan. 27 November 1940 to 20 July 1973. Was a Chinese-American actor, film director, and producer. Screenwriter, martial arts instructor, philosopher, and founder of the Jeet Kune Do martial arts movement. Born in the United States, he was raised in Hong Kong and immigrated to the United States upon the age of 18. At that time, he began teaching martial arts, which soon led to his career in the entertainment industry. In 1970s, his movies elevated the spirit of the Hong Kong martial arts film to another level of popularity in the West. One of his well-received films, Enter the Dragon, an American martial arts action film in 1973, directed by Robert Klaus, is the first Chinese martial arts film to have been produced by a major Hollywood studio. This is the final film appearance before his death, and he was first released in Hong Kong 6 days after his death. Lee is considered one of the most influential martial artists of the 20th century. His personal martial arts philosophy has profound influence to the next generation. Ang 1/6 scale figure ni Bruce Lee ay may 30 points of articulation. Approximately, ang taas niya ay 30 centimeters. Meron siyang isang pares ng relax na palms, isang pares ng fist, naka-fish yung kamay, isang pares na may hinahawakan na nunchucks, isang pares ng may hinahawakan na rods, at isang pares na naka-posing palms during grappling. Meron din siyang isang piraso na kamay na naka-grappling, isang pirasong kamay na naka-open palm, isang piraso for practicing Wing Chun, isang piraso with thumb up for imitating his act of nose touching. Si Bruce Lee ay may 2 piraso ng head sculpts. Yung isa niya ay battle damage. Meron siyang 2 pares ng costume. Meron siyang isang piece ng Chinese style white shirt, isang pair ng dark blue trousers with black waistband, isang pair ng white socks. Yung pangalawang costume niya is one piece of dark blue stealth suit, isang pares ng black socks, at 2 pares ng black cotton shoes. Yung weapons niya, isang pair ng chako or nunchucks, 2 short rods, at isang long rod. Tapos ang accessory niya ay isang dark blue bag, isang ball of strings, at isang ahas. Ito yung battle damage head sculpt ni Bruce Lee. Yan, yung may mga kalmot siya sa mukha dahil dun sa kalaban niya sa movie. Makikita nyo, ang ganda na rin ng pagkakagawa. Tapos ito yung version ng DX, yung natatanggal yung ulo niya, yung buhok, tapos nagagalaw yung mata. Ayun, kung mapapansin nyo, gumagalaw yung mata left to right. Yun yung control niya, yung nasa likod. Yan yung kagandahan ng DX. Para kung ipoposition mo siya na may titignan siya, in particular, realistic siya tignan. So makikita nyo, gumagalaw yung mata. Yun yung kagandahan nitong DX version. Ayan. Ito yung Chinese na polo niya. Tapos ito naman yung stealth suit niya na dark blue. Ito yung duffel bag niya, tsaka yung ball of strings. Ito naman yung kung fu shoes niya. Nakasama rin as accessories. Ayos din yung pagkakagawa ng kung fu shoes. Ayan, kita niyo ilalim. Ito yung ahas na kasama as accessories na ginamit niya rin sa movie. Ito yung Chaco or yung nunchucks. Ayan. Ganda ng itsura. Ito yung dalawang rods na maliit na gamit-gamit niya na arnis. Tapos ito yung mahabang rod na part din ng accessories. Simple lang siya. Meron din siyang kasamang extra ball joints. Tapos ito yung ibang kamay. Hindi na natin didiscuss lahat ng pares ng kamay. Kasi napakarami. So ito yung mga nakapost na kamay niya. Ito yung parang nakarelax na kamay. Yan. Ang dami kasing pares eh. So kung didiscuss natin baka lalo pang humaba. Basta yan yung mga posing ng mga kamay niya. Ito ata yung sa Wing Chun na pose ng daliri niya. Yan yung nakahawak sa Chaco. Ito yung panghawak niya sa Chaco na kamay. And makikita rito pati sa likod yung mga indention ng muscles niya. Makikita nyo ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Tsaka appropriate talaga yung katawan niya. Yan yung mga joints maayos. Ito yung pants niya, yung kung fu shoes niya, yung medyas, kung paano tinatali yung pantalon niya. Maayos yung pagkakagawa ng Hot Toys. Yan, pati yung strap niya sa bewang na itim na pantali. Ang ganda rin. So, very proportion yung katawan ni Bruce Lee rito. So, kung makikita nyo, yan yung mga maliliit na detail sa katawan niya. Lalo na yung mga guhit ng muscle. Ma-appreciate nyo talaga yung pagkakagawa ng Hot Toys. Pati yung buhok niya, although hindi ganun ka-detail, pero kuha na rin yung buhok ni Bruce Lee. Ayan. So yan, papakita lang natin ulit kung paano natatanggal, paano nakokontrol yung mata sa loob para makita nyo mabuti yung detalye. Ayan. Ulitin lang natin. Yan, para ito kung ipoposing nyo siya, mas realistic yung tingin, kung saan nakaharap yung mukha or kung saan siya nakatutok yung mata niya. So, pag pinopose nyo siya, mas maganda siya tignan. Ayan. Anyway guys, I hope you like this toy review of Bruce Lee Enter the Dragon DX04 ng Hot Toys. Please like, subscribe if you want more toy reviews in Tagalog. Thank you. Maraming salamat po pala sa 1,040 subscribers na nagtitiwala sa Daddy 50 channel. Thank you so much.